Hey guys, welcome back to TechMan. Today, let me show you how to exclude Spotify audio from OBS recordings. I was recording gameplay in OBS the other day and realized my Spotify music was getting captured in the recording, which isn't always ideal, especially if you just want game audio or your voice. So here's what worked for me. Instead of relying on desktop audio, which captures everything, I switched to a more controlled setup. In OBS, I went to Sources, clicked the plus icon, and added Application Audio Capture. This lets you choose exactly which app's audio gets recorded. I created one source from my game and made sure that it was active and either muted or didn't include Spotify in the capture list. I also muted desktop audio entirely so OBS wouldn't grab all system sounds by default. That way, only the audio I actually wanted, like the game or microphone, was recorded. It's a small setup change, but it gives you more control. Think of it like telling OBS, record this, but ignore everything else. If we've been helpful, kindly give us a thumbs up and don't forget to hit the subscribe and bell button for more contents. For any questions and suggestions, comment down below.